It's your boy, the TMax.
I'm Steve from Rwanda.
I'm Daniel. I'm from Canada.
My name is Claudio from Brazil.
I'm Thomas from Argentina.
It's my first time to see the seals.
The first time that I meet a seal.
Yes, my first time having peanut butter and jelly.
After a bumpy road, we finally arrived at the Tropic of Capricorn.
We ate good food cooked by our friends.
Oh, we're getting good at breaking down our tent, packing up the car. We did this in like 10 minutes today. Nice. Let's go to the park.
We wake up early in the morning at 5:30. Then we arrive to the site at 6:45.
Driver. Hey guys. Steve.
Let's go to Sossus-vlei. Today we have been to the, I think, most iconic place in Namibia. At least for me, when I knew that you're gonna travel to Namibia, was the place that I was eager, to visit the most. Is the Deadvlei. All the Sossusvlei, all the park is very nice, but the Deadvlei, I think, is the cherry on top.
It wasn't too hot in the morning, so we couldn't get for the sunrise, but it was cool as well.
We are going to lower the pressure on the tires. So because you are 5 kilometers away to the Deadvlei Sea, so we are happy to be here, of course, and we are enjoying. So we can't wait to see what next.
It is ridiculous how much more stable my phone is than my camera. Yeah, the digital stabilization is phenomenal.
We went into the Sossus-vlei park and saw the main attraction, like the desert ground that used to be a lake 900 years ago, and now with a bunch of dead trees sticking out with a bunch of beautiful red dunes surrounding it. It was incredible to spend the entire morning there.
Okay, so just to clarify, everybody keeps talking about the Sossus-vlei park. That's not the park. The park is called namib-naukluft. That's the name of the park. And Sossus-vlei is like an area inside of that. And then an area inside of that is the Deadvlei, which is the trees. We got really good weather with this cloud cover. Even though it's early morning, it wouldn't have been too hot anyway. But now with that cloud cover, we don't have any intense sun. So it's gonna make this dune hike much more pleasant, and the whole experience in general much better.
Is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. A good traveler has no fixed plans and is not into
Riding in the desert, of course, also was good experience.
measured in friends rather than mine.
We are there to the Deadvlei.
Yeah, nice, right?
Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost.
So these trees apparently are like been dead for over 2,000 years. So this is just like a tree graveyard, I guess. Maybe, but like more like dinosaur bones because they're so old. And it's just this area too. It's a lot less sandy. It's more, I guess, a calcified rock maybe. Yeah, it's a very interesting place. And now I see, obviously it's the hot tourist spot, so there's a lot more people here than you normally would see. But this is, yeah, it's definitely beautiful. Highly recommend coming to this place. So what do you think, Daniel?
That's incredible. Wow.
Not all those who wander are lost.
I was too curious to see Deadvlei. That was one of my dreams, to visit this place where we visited today, so I'm so excited.
I think that's the Instagram shot over there. So if you're an Instagrammer, go over there. That's where you're gonna get your shot.
Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness.
The dead trees, the dunes, the contrast on the colors, it's amazing.
All journeys have secret destinations of which the traveler is unaware. Jobs fill your pocket, but adventures fill your soul.
We took a lot of pictures. It was a nice moment. We took much memories, so much memories.
And I had no idea what any of this stuff was because I did no research. And from what I saw on Instagram, I thought the dead tree thing was one tree and it's tons of them. So that was really cool to see, more than what I was bargaining for. Thomi, tell the camera, why haven't we seen you?
I forgot the battery. Seem full, but maybe it's not full. Because it's not the Canon, it's another one.
Oh, I
so
see.
I have to go back. I spent like maybe half an hour.
Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost.
We've been there very early. It was nice. It was a good time, and we had breakfast there in the parks.
It's good, Steve. Yeah, Claudio as well. You can tell we're hungry.
Yeah.
This is already bowl number 2 for Thomi.
Yeah.
And Daniel. The grill. This is my food. All right, make sure you get it nice and clean. One of the last people here because it's getting hot. So we're gonna go climb a dune. All right, these 5 gentlemen, including myself, decided at midday we're gonna hike that back there. Yeah! You see, there's nobody else in the parking lot. So we will be doing this alone.
Our
All right, Daniel's got a head start. We'll catch him. Claudio of Arabia, Steve and Thomi. Our car back there. We're going that way. Put real shoes on because this sand is hot. Whew. Almost there. Come on, guys.
Pretty easy climb, but really windy up there. And if you put on any sunscreen, you're gonna have a bunch of sand sticking to you. So, you know, note that. Still do wear sunscreen, but note that.
We climbed the dune then, like 1 p.m. Like very hot. We climbed there. The view is amazing.
It was not easy.
It was so good, but I think too hot for that at midday.
Don't hike the dunes in the midday. Oh my gosh, man, my ankles were just like, I felt like I got like first degree burn on my ankles because the sand was so hot. Could go down the normal way like John and Eilish, or like us. You can do it, Thomi. So windy. All right, and my that was like go down the hill, right? Oh, the sand is hot. It's so hot. Oh, the sand is burning my feet. This was a big mistake. Such a big mistake. Ow, 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 ow. He's running 60. You're gonna pass him. Cause ow. Just lots of ow, guys. So much ow. And my legs, my feet are burning. Ow. Big mistake. Highly regret running down this side. Ow. Ow. Oh, my feet burn. My feet hurt so bad. How are your feet? How are you guys doing? My bottle of water fell out. Okay, so this is why you wear socks on a hot day. My feet hurt. My feet hurt so bad.
I wish I was wearing long socks like Steve.
Even his feet hurt. Oh my gosh. Oh, the burning.
Oh, no.
And then this guy is just watching us. These idiots out here in the sun. Don't they know? Yeah, we know now. Is it just me or is it weird that the dune just like has this border and then it just starts right here, goes all the way up, and then just perfectly does not cross that line? Is this, look, even out there, the dune just knows not to come into a certain point or something. Just goes that way. So we got here a bit late yesterday, so we didn't get to take advantage of the pool. But it's a 24-hour pool. This is nice. Ooh, it smells like chlorine.
We came to the campsite again. We swim, and I enjoyed that. It's been like about 2 years without swimming, and I enjoyed that moment.
Okay, so we just arrived at the canyon. and we don't know where to go. There's no map, so we're just gonna walk around and see what we can find.
A canyon whose name I can't remember at the moment, which was also really beautiful.
Travel is the only thing you can buy that makes you richer. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all.
You are still alive, Daniel?
This is about as far as we can get.
Oh.
Wow, I can hear the echo.
Does it work, the view?
Steve and Daniel take another way. I think this is the good way. We're gonna see if we meet them.
We saw people coming from here, so getting back already. So we think we have something. So let's see.
We find the way.
Yeah.
The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost.
Okay, tell me this does not look like the valley in The Lion King where the herd was almost like gonna crush Simba and Mufasa jumped in to save him. This is that spot. I'm in that place. I found it, guys.
The world is a book and those who do not travel read only one page. A good traveler has no fixed plans and is not intent on arriving. A journey is best measured in friends rather than miles.
Okay, so we are here for sunset at Elim, but we don't have that much time because the gates close at a certain time. We got to be out because we're staying outside the park. So we're just gonna try to get to the top of this, enjoy whatever little bit of view sunset we have, and then we're back out. So let's go.
Not all those who wander are lost. 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 Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness. All journeys have secret destinations of which the
And we went to Elim. Elim also was not easy, but we enjoyed the view. View was good.
jobs fill your pocket, but adventures fill your soul.
And then we went back to climb one more dune. I was the only one who succeeded.
This was officially the hardest hike we've done today. We're stopping here. Daniel kept going. We'll see him when he comes back. Where's Thomi and Steve? They haven't come yet. But whoo! This one was tough.
Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost.
I can make it. Just stay there, chill.
Yeah?
The landscape, that's it.
Nice. Understandable. That was a tough hike.
I mean, I'm the youngest one, but
Yeah, it happens.
so this is our chicken for today. Fire, pumpkin from Claudio.
Oh, look at that. We got squash, rice, chicken, boerwurst. I wish you guys get some rice.
So yeah, all in all, a great day. I'm exhausted and we got a long day of driving tomorrow, so I'm gonna head up to bed. But until next time.
First of all, today was a long day, but we made it to the mountain and we got nice view and everything today was good. The last tree, I enjoyed food cooked by our friends. We worked as a team. I'm enjoying the trip.
Hey everyone. Today, I'm very tired as you can see. So there was a lot of adventures today, like very different landscapes that we saw for the day, all here on the park at Sossus-vlei. So, everything's amazing. So we had a really great time. I'm super tired here. My legs are hurting a lot. So I'm going to sleep right now. But yeah, very happy for what we have seen today.
It was a beautiful day. I think the best day of the trip. I think
all of us we want to see the Deadvlei Sossusvlei. So it was a good day. We are tired, and because tomorrow we get like 6 hours driving for the guys to tourists, and we see the next stop.
So it was a good day, and we're gonna get right back at it tomorrow morning.
Today we drove from Sossus-vlei, still not knowing how to pronounce that,